Hi everyone, Zubair here with a new tutorial. Today we will have a look on OneDrive, how it works and how we can use it for work or school account or for personal account, and how we can upload files, share files and save files to OneDrive. So we'll have a look at some of its features. We will learn how we can upload these files to the cloud, and we can get back to these files anytime from anywhere whenever we want. We can upload any type of files to our OneDrive, including PowerPoint, Excel, Word, or any other type of file. You can access your documents from anywhere, from any location, from any device remotely. And you can share your documents anyone from anywhere from your cloud location. And you can also collaborate on your file with others. So let's first see how you can even get OneDrive. To get the OneDrive, you can go to OneDrive.com. Right. I will paste this link in the video description. For sign in, you can click on the sign in button and you can get to your OneDrive by creating an account. But if you are already signed in into OneDrive, as I am already signed in into OneDrive, right, you will see this button here. In my work or school account, I have logged in. You will see this button here, and you will see the option of your OneDrive here. So by clicking here, you can go to OneDrive as well. Okay, now I am in OneDrive with my email account. Now we are in the home view of Microsoft OneDrive, and you can click on this button to collapse it, and you can expand it like this, and this is the view of your home screen. If you have any recent file into your email working on that, you will see those files here. This is my empty email and I just created it to show you the OneDrive tutorial, and up at the top there is a add new button. When I click add new button, I can create a folder into OneDrive. I can upload multiple files. I can upload a folder, and here I have the option of creating a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, or any of the document I wanna create it here. And here I have the link option. In the link option, I can add the file or the document link that I can share with anybody else. So as there is default the home view button in my OneDrive, and I don't have recent files here. In the home option, you can see any recent files that are added to your OneDrive. Right. So let's try to create a test file for you so that I can show you that document one in the OneDrive. Okay, so I've created a document one in my OneDrive. Let's go back to the home, refresh the screen. Okay, now as you can see at the home screen, we will have few options here that some of my recent files will show up here. What I recently opened, that will show up here. If someone shared a file with me, that will also show up here in the home section. So here in the recent option, this is the file I have recently created, opened just now on an activity. If there were any activity on this file, that will be showing up here. So here I also have the option of filtering document, that what type of filter I want to apply and what type of document I need. I need Word, I need Excel, PowerPoint, or a PDF, or I can go to all, where I will see here all of my documents. So let's say I have some work to get it done. So I will upload a file from my computer to my OneDrive cloud. Basically, this is a Microsoft cloud. So I go to add new, and then I go to files upload. Then I will browse to the location of file that I want to upload into my OneDrive cloud. I will select that file and I will hit open. So now it's showing me that file how to sync Microsoft Teams file and folder to your computer has been uploaded to your OneDrive file. And if you see, that file is not showing here in the recent option. So for going to reach that file that I have uploaded to my OneDrive, let's go to my files. In my files, I just saw that about a minute ago I have uploaded that files to my OneDrive and that is showing into my files here. We have some of other files and folder here I just have created, and this sign you can see on the files shows that these are new files that are uploaded to OneDrive. One other simple way of uploading file is we can simply drag and drop the files into our OneDrive, right? If I drag this file and I want to paste this file into any folder, I can go to that folder and I can copy this file to that folder or the OneDrive cloud. But if I want this file over the root folder, I can simply come here and I can paste this file here. As I have pasted this file here, it's asking me if you want to keep this file or if you want to add it as a new file, because I've uploaded the same file I already had at OneDrive. This is also the perfect feature of OneDrive that this notifies you about the duplicates. So what I will do, I don't want to keep the duplicates. I will select the replace. So that will replace this current file again here, and if you can see it's showing me it's modified a few seconds ago. Here I have the option of sort file, right? I can sort file by type, name, modified by file size, or ascending and descending. So currently I don't have too many files here, but if you have too many files here, these filter will be helpful for you. Other option we have is we can keep the file in a list, we can keep them in a compact list, or we can have those files in a tiles as well. You can set it to any view that you like or that will help you to get your file more organized and you can find your file easily. So let's go back to the list as I like list the most. Now as I have uploaded all my required files into my OneDrive cloud, I want them to organize more better. Let's go to add new and then go to folder. I want to name this folder on-site teams group. Okay, and I just want to color it, you can say blue. That will look more better. Let's hit create. That's it. So now I can see here I got a folder here with blue color and name on-site teams group, so that on-site team could upload their stats or their technical documents into on-site teams group. So now let's say I want to move these files into on-site teams group and I'm the member of on-site teams group. I can just drag and drop this file into on-site teams group, or if I want to add more than one file, I can drag and drop both of these files, and the next option I can use here. I have selected these two files and then I can select move to, and after selecting move to, I got all the folders that is into my OneDrive, but I just want these specific files for this on-site team group. So let's click on it and let's say move to. Now the files are being moved to the folder I selected on-site teams group, and you can see now both of the files are here. So now in an on-site group, I also want my other user who needs to upload their file into on-site teams group, and I can request them that please upload all the required file into this on-site teams group. So if you can see three dots here, I can go here and I can go to request files, right? When I go to request file, I can type here, please upload both the required files. Let's hit next. Now it's asking us to enter the recipient email so that recipient could upload all the required file into this folder. So we can select recipient here, write the required recipient here, and we can hit send to request them, and they will receive a request to upload their file into this folder here. And also the second option, we can copy this link, right, and we can share this link to the people who can upload files to this on-site team group, and anyone with the link can upload files into this group. So I will hit send them. Oh, look at this. The best way to get work done is to request others to do it. Now let's say if I need help from someone in some other files, I can create that file and I can share with them that please help me in creating this file, and I can update the name of the file here, and I can say that project on-site project planning, and you can see that this file is saved into a folder here, and it's giving us the path. So I named this on-site project planning. Here I can name it the same on-site project planning. Okay, so this file is now created, and let's give it heading. Okay, with a little, yeah, on-site project planning. So I need help from an on-site engineer or the manager of this project who is managing this project. I need them to fill up this file with their required information. If I hover my mouse at on-site project planning, you can see the details, how many views. You can see the share button here. I will show you share button, but I will show you from here so that you will understand it better. So now I want to share it with some of the people in my organization. They are on-site technician or the manager, and I need help from them to complete this project plan into this Word document. So I can name them here. All right, let's add one more technician from on-site and also the admin. Here I can add the detail to request them that please, when you have some time, complete this project plan prior to next week. I can select here the permission for the user so that they can edit the file, they can view the file, or they cannot download it. They can only view it but not download it, or they can only review it and suggest the changes. But here I need them to edit the file so that they can prepare the project plans for this project. So I will keep this as can edit, make any changes. I can also copy the link and share with the users. They can also edit the file with the link. Here in the setting option, we have different settings, right? We can set the expiration date of the file, and for the security purpose, we can also set the password on the file, right? So only the users who have password, they will be able to work or edit on this file. I can share this file only to people in my organization, or I can share with the people within existing access, or I can share it with the people I choose. So basically, I will keep it anyone who have a link, as this is not a problem for me related to this file. So I didn't need to change any of those settings, right? And I just need this user to work on this file and complete the project plan. So let's send this file, and they will get an invite in an email. Okay, I've invited those user, and what I have noticed that once I share the file, I am seeing the option here in front of this file is shared with the users. That's perfect. I'm getting work done. If I click on the share text here, I will see some of details here, right? Here I can stop sharing, and I can also grant access to more people if required. I can share it from here, like to anyone else if needed. And I can also see here the users to whom this file is shared. So I don't want to change any of these options here. So I will go back. Another way to get to that view, you can also right click on the on this file, and you can go to manage access from here. This will open up the same view, right, we got by going to the shared button. And if you want to see all of the files you have shared with someone, you can directly go to shared folder here, and share files will show up here with you, who share file with you or by you. So when I come to by you option, I can see here I've shared this file here. Okay. Now if I want this file to be the top of my list in the future few days, and I so that I can get to this file, right, I can just favorite it, and the second option, this is added to my favorites, and the second option I can use it here as I can edit shortcut to my files or any other location. So I want to add the shortcut to my files. Let's go to the favorites. If I can see this file here, yeah, I can see this file here, and in my files I can see the shortcut in the root folder, right? So whenever I work on this file, this will get updated on the back end for anybody else. So now I can get to this file from here shortcut, and also an on-site Teams group, right? This file is also here, and if I go to favorites, as I have marked this file as favorite, this is also showing in the favorite folder. So let's say in an on-site Teams group, if I don't need any file, for example, I don't need this document, I can go here and I can delete this document folder, and then delete again. So deleted one item and this goes to recycle bin. I can open recycle bin from here as well, and I can go to recycle bin by this folder in the left menu here, right? So I can see the name of the file that deleted by, created by, an original location of this file. So if the files go to recycle bin, it will stay here for 90 days. There are plenty of days. If you want to restore this file back, you can restore it within 90 days. So let's say if I don't want to delete this file and I've changed my opinion and I want this file back, I can select this file and I can go to the restore button that will restore this file for me back on the same location where it was. Let's go to my file to confirm, and then go to on-site Teams group and see that the document file is back here and it's restored successfully. So here in OneDrive we have the option of browse file by people. So if someone shares file with you, you will see those files with their name in here, and you can work both on those files as I have explained you. And as this is my new email just for this tutorial, so no one shared any files with me. And the next option in OneDrive is new, and most perfect option is meetings option here, right? You can see all of your new meetings, upcoming meetings here, and file shares in the meetings will be shown up right in the meeting option, and you will see any files associated with those meetings here. Also, the next new and interesting option I'm seeing into OneDrive is media. Here we can see get party started, start adding your photos and videos using 8 new button. So we can add here. So as until now I've shown you everything of OneDrive, that we can use OneDrive on the web, right? We can also use OneDrive on the phone and the PC. If you go to setting option here, you can see get OneDrive app. Once you click on the OneDrive app, this will show you the option of downloading OneDrive to your computer, right? So as I have already downloaded OneDrive to my computer, and this is showing OneDrive here in this corner, you will see the same icon of OneDrive like this. So let's get these documents at my computer. Documents or the folder sync to my computer via OneDrive app. Let's log into OneDrive. Put the password. Sign into this app only. Now this OneDrive came here to the location at my laptop. Let it next. Now it's asking me to backup the folder. No, I don't want to backup any of these folder here. Hit next, hit next, next, next. Now it's asking get the mobile app. I don't want it right now. I want it later. Open my OneDrive folder here, right? And you can see now I am getting that OneDrive Teams group folder at my computer. So as far as my OneDrive is connected, I will get everything here, right? And this will getting update, and also you can see this the shared logo here, and more than one users could be working on this on-site project planning. So this was the way we can get our OneDrive folder at our computer and we can work on them. So if you click on this OneDrive, you can see all of the activities that you perform on your OneDrive. And if you want to go directly to a folder from here, you can click on Open Folder, and that will open this folder in front of you, your OneDrive folder that is syncing to the cloud. So here I also have all of the option of creating new file and working on the file here locally from my computer, and that will get synced automatically to the OneDrive cloud. So the advantage of the cloud is if my PC get crashed or Windows gets crashed, if I lost my laptop, I will still not lose any of OneDrive file and they will stay into my OneDrive cloud. So see, if I created an Excel document, you can see that right, this took a minute and it syncs to the cloud, and now this icon here gets changed. So now if I do any changes on this file, this will also automatically keep syncing to the cloud. And also if I want this file only on the cloud, I can right click on it and I go to free up space. Once I go to free up space, you can see there is only the cloud icon in front of this file. So let's go to the folder and let's go to on-site project planning. Here, if I made any changes to OneDrive, this will automatically get synced to the cloud. If you can see this auto save is turned on, and if I want to add one option here just to show you that please get all the required equipments for the project. I want for my on-site project planning, and let's close this and see if it gets synced to the cloud or no. If you see this icon here, that is this is getting synced to the cloud. Let's go to the cloud, and in the on-site teams group, let's see the on-site project planning document, and hopefully that will get synced to the cloud in few seconds. Yeah, see, I got it here. So I don't need to worry about losing the files. I have two copies on the cloud and the computer as well. Also, let me show you, if we want to save this file here, we can go to file and then go to save a copy. Here we have the option of saving this file to OneDrive as well. We can save this file or copy to the cloud from here. That's it about today quality content, and I think till now you have mastered the OneDrive completely, and you will be able to work for and use OneDrive. And if still you have any problems with OneDrive or you need any further help, you can tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep commenting. Bye.